Hi everyone, here we've got REALME C3 and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So firstly we have to enter the settings and now let's scroll down in order to find language and region. Let's tap on it. Now let's tap on language here, and as you can see here we've got the list of all languages from which we can choose. Right now we've got English applied, this option is marked, and all you have to do right now in order to change it is simply tap on the option you'd like to use, on the language you'd like to set. So I will pick French, just let me tap on it. As you can see it is marked, and since you can see this mark, you can tap on done in the right upper corner in order to confirm. Just tap on change to French. If you've got a pattern, PIN or password, just enter it to confirm. And as you can see, from now on, this device will use the chosen language. So the whole system, the whole menu is in the French right now, but it freezed a little, so let's wait a second. Oh, and as you can see, the whole settings, general settings, are in the French. So let me show it to you again. Let me change the language again. So let's tap on language and region. Let's tap on language again, and from the list choose the one you'd like to use. Tap on done. Okay, confirm it. And let's wait a second. And as you can see, the same situation. Right now we've got English language applied. So actually that's all. This is how to change system language in your REALME C3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.